In this video, I will show you how to import products from Roposo to Shopify. Visit shopify.com, click login and enter your credentials to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see the main admin homepage with options like home, orders, products, customers, and more. On the left-hand menu, click Apps, then click Add Apps to be redirected to the Shopify App Store. In the App Store, use the search bar at the top and type in Roposo. In the search result, look for the app named Roposo Cloud Dropshipping. Click on it to open the app's details page. If the app is compatible with your Shopify store, a Get App button will appear. Click Get App and follow the prompts to install and authorize the application. After installation, the app will appear in your app list on the Shopify dashboard. Click to open Roposo Cloud Dropshipping. Log into your Roposo Cloud account or create one if you haven't already. Once logged in, you can browse available products inside the Roposo Cloud app. Choose the products you want and import them directly to your Shopify store. All product details, images, and pricing will sync automatically. Make sure your store settings like currency, shipping, policies are updated before launching new products. Double check product descriptions and pricing after import for accuracy and consistency. And there you have it. That's how you can easily input products from Roposo to Shopify using Roposo Cloud Dropshipping app. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.